Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Air sign Aquarius for the month of July. This is mid-month reading. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your recent past. Aquarius, air sign, your recent past. Lot of energies here. So let's see your recent past, Aquarius. 3 of Pentacles, the Fool, wow, 10 of Pentacles. It is very good past. Definitely for some there is also new beginning already started. For some, those who are not get the new beginning, definitely near future you will get, because the Fool and 10 of Pentacles, definitely one person is already approached you with the new beginning and stability. Definitely you both decided to work on this relationship. 3 of Pentacles. Definitely there is some communication and then understanding is happened in past. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Aquarius. The Lovers, your person could be Capricorn with the Taurus, Gemini, the Hermit, wow, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely I think one person seeing the things spiritually, definitely. Then you both could have strong connection. The Lovers is here. You both love each other unconditionally. Definitely long-term commitment is coming in your way. Ace of Pentacles. So this is long-term commitment. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aquarius. I think you both are in good terms right now. Person. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. Wow, we are the World. 2 times 10 of Pentacles. The Bird and 6 of Swords. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. Your person want to resolve things between both of you. Totality, 5 of Wands. I think there are some issues already in between both of you. I think your person want to resolve those issues and want to offer stability to this connection. So definitely he will take action towards you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Aquarius. Okay, innocence means sun is innocence here. Sun, definitely positive outcome. The Miser. The Miser means 4 of Pentacles. I think your person is not see here, friendliness. 2 of Cups. 2 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles, and the last card. Then I will explain. Compromise. Lot of readings got this card, compromise. Yes, 2 of Cups, you both love each other. Definitely Lovers card and 2 of Cups is here. Positive outcome. I think your person in past not expressing their feelings. He is not expressive, but your person in your future express their feelings to you, and they want a new beginning with you, and they want to compromise. They want to offer equal give and take to this connection. They want to compromise. Friendliness, yes. Definitely 2 of Cups. So they want to share their love with you. They want to offer stability to this connection. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.